Today we're going to be making a keto pizza. Right now I'm tending my ground beef garden. Harvest was definitely plentiful, so this looks promising. Next you want to make your bread for the keto pizza. It's 50% ground and 50% beef. To baba Betty for 15 minutes. Some Stackhouse seasoning, some cheddar, and I want to test out my new tomato slicer. It only cost me 77 easy payments of $77.77. So far it seems to be doing a pretty good job. Look at that quality, man. I recommend everyone get this. Go ahead and add your fresh tomato slices, extra large black beans, peppers, some mushrooms, and more cheddar. Give it to Big Betty to crystalize. Perfect. I call it pizza. Top it with some breath mints. These ones smell extra fresh. Taste test. You can really feel the breath mints kicking in on this one. I got my first date tonight, so I'm gonna grab a couple of extra of these for extra freshness. Wish me luck.